Hi, this is George Katsoudas, aka the Greek Geek. Hope you're doing great. Many customers who have bought a WordPress plugin from me often ask me to log into their site to look into some issue. And I would say I have logged into many hundreds, probably even thousands of customer websites right now. And there are these things that I keep seeing again and again and again and again. In fact, I have made the same mistakes several times when I was starting out with WordPress. And I remember this one time that this mistake cost me many hundreds of dollars because my site got hacked, then malicious code got injected into it, and nothing was working properly. The fact of the matter is that all these fixes I'm going to show you don't require you to be a programmer. They don't require you to have any technical knowledge. You can just click a few buttons and your site will be working great. So let me show you what you need to be doing. Okay, I'm logged in inside my WordPress dashboard. A few things to note. First of all, look what it says here. It says site health status should be improved, right? And there are several issues. The way to also access this, to get more details about this, is to go under Tools, Site Health. Now, you don't necessarily need to get a 100% perfect health because sometimes this may require some technical knowledge or hire a server administrator to do some things. But there are some very simple things you can do that can get your site to almost perfect health. And most of the times that's all you will need. So let me show you a few things. Okay, I'm back in my dashboard. Let's go to updates. The first thing you need to be doing before anything else is to make sure your WordPress version is the latest one. Okay? Okay, this specific website has the latest version. But if WordPress is not in the latest version, then you absolutely need to do so. Let's move further down. Here it says there are some plugins that need to be updated. Okay, you can select them and update plugins. Okay, they got updated already. If we go back to updates, here it says themes 3. Okay, the first thing you need to understand is that your WordPress site can only have one active theme at any single time. Okay, so there's no need to have many WordPress themes. And one of the problems with updating WordPress is that sometimes WordPress will also auto install a new theme on your site without you needing it. For example, when you update WordPress to a very new version, usually in the beginning of the year, it will also install a new theme, like let's say 2021. Okay, but what if I didn't want to use 2021? Maybe I only want to use 2020. Okay, so for now, I'm going to select them all and I'm going to click Update Themes. But now I'm going to go under Appearance, Themes, and I'm going to delete themes that are not needed, okay? Let's say that I only wanted to be using this theme here, okay? And I did not need to use any of the other themes, okay? I just, let's say, click on this theme and I click Delete, okay? Click, Delete, okay. Okay, I see right now that this is the default theme. Okay, so let's say I want to use this theme, the 2021. I would click on this theme, I would delete. So now there's only one theme. This means there are fewer opportunities for hackers to log into our site because they found some outdated code somewhere. Okay, if you are not using something, just deactivate it and delete it. Also, when you click on the theme, look here where it says Enable Auto Updates. Click on this. So now these updates are going to be happening automatically. You don't even need to be logging into your website every now and then. The updates will happen automatically. Let's go under plugins. So, okay, this specific website, it's a test website, only has 5 WordPress plugins, but I see customer websites having 45, 50 WordPress plugins. And yes, I sell WordPress plugins for a living, but at the same time, I always tell customers, you don't need to be using an enormous amount of WordPress plugins. Most of my sites have, let's say, around no more than 20 active plugins, right? Try to keep your site tight. Now, if there's some plugin here that you don't really need, then you can just deactivate it. Let's try this one. Let's click deactivate and then delete. And by the way, when you have fewer WordPress plugins, your website will be loading faster, your visitors will be happier, Google will be happier because Google also wants your sites to be loading fast, right? Another thing, here you will see this enable auto updates. Again, if you click on this, let's say you click enable auto updates, this plugin will be automatically updated. So you don't even need to babysit your websites, okay? You can just enable auto updates and this will keep your sites up to date without you having to worry about them. So if we go again under tools, site health, now it says good. We have gotten an almost perfect score. You see, without and we did not do anything technical, guys. We didn't have to hire a programmer or whatever. It's just a few clicks. Okay. So here's a summary on how to keep your site healthy. Update the WordPress version. Deactivate and delete unused WordPress plugins. Deactivate and delete unused WordPress themes. Update your plugins and update your theme, your one theme, right? You only need one theme, right? And of course, you can check out tools, site health to see what's the status of your site. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, feel free to like it, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Also, you can comment below if you have any thoughts or questions. So, thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.